This is Telesin smartphone magnetic neck mount. This is the newest gear I used for hands-free, first-person shooting using my iPhone. It uses a strong magnet ring that is compatible with iPhone's MagSafe. So it works perfectly with iPhone 12 and above, even with a case on. But if your case is too thick, the magnet may not hold. Good thing, it comes with a ring which you can stick on the case. You can also use the same magnetic ring if your phone is an Android. The magnet is so strong you don't have to worry about it falling off. The arms where the magnetic phone holder is adjustable, so you can angle it based on the POV shot you need. It has quick release button, which allows you to easily put it around your neck, or remove it when you are done. Once you snap it close, it feels so secured, you will not worry that it will detach. But if you are still worried, then you can use the anti-lost rope. The neck strap is made of stainless steel gooseneck and it is covered in silicone, so you can twist or bend it to fit a small space in your travel bag. At the back of the holder, you have an air cushion base which feels comfortable on your chest. So, what are the real-life use of this gear? As a drone videographer, I do a lot of POV shots when flying my drone, and flying requires me to use my two hands and can't hold my phone at the same time. This gives me the flexibility to pick up anything and not worrying about how to film it at the same time, especially if I'm alone and no one to hold my phone for me. Last time, I struggle a lot how to angle my shots, so I end up placing my controller on the ground, or hold it with one hand, or use a gimbal. Now, I can get a perfect POV shot even with the drone and controller together. But aside from wearing it like a necklace, I found other ways to use it, like wrapping it around on an object to film myself, or just use it like a tripod. And of course, now I can do POV shots for unboxing videos using just my phone as a camera. You can be very creative and shoot whatever POV shot you have in mind. Vlogging using only your phone has never been easy. You can record with literally whatever you do every day. Whether when you are at work, building your projects, or at play. So tell me, what types of POV shots do you have in mind where you can use this gear? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next.